Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you are the WBJ 2023 candidate, then this video gonna very informative to you guys. Because in this video I will talk about the complete syllabus of the chemistry. Okay. So actually I have already given the detailed video about the what is WBJ exam, what is the pattern of that, and important syllabus of the physics and mathematics too. Okay. Now in this video I will talk about the chemistry guys. Because chemistry also play a key role for getting the good marks in the WBJ exam. Okay, and I hope that you have already an idea that through the WPG exam you can get the important college such as the Jalpaiguri Government Engineering College and one of the topmost college, that is the Jadavpur University. Okay, so no doubt WPG is an important examination and you must give this exam guys. Okay, so now talking about the question paper of the WPG. Okay, that is the sorry, what is the syllabus of the chemistry. Okay, so from the chemistry actually syllabus is almost parallel to the JEE main exam. Okay, उससे भाई little bit लो ही होगा. Okay, but what is the syllabus, detailed syllabus I am talking about that. Okay, so first is that atoms, molecules and chemical arithmetic. Okay, so this is an important chapter from which almost means once your question come every year. Okay, so you have to prepare for this guys. Okay, and you will clearly visualize from the important chapter, that is the Dalton atomic theory, Gauss's law, okay, volume, Avogadro's of hypothesis and various important topics you can clearly visualize. Okay, and no doubt guys, I will provide link in the description from where you can get directly access to these things. Okay, now talking about the atomic structure, from atomic structure important topics is the line spectra of hydrogen atom, quantization of energy, that is the Planck's equation and all things. Okay, next is that the ground state and electronic configuration of various electronic atom. Okay, so this topics is also guys very important. Okay, so talking from the atomic structure, talking about the next important, that is the from the radioactivity. Okay, so from the radioactivity or alpha beta ray and their properties, artificial transmutation, rate of radioactive decay, very important topics in context to the WBA exam. Okay, next chapter आपका वही that periodic table and chemical families. Okay, so from the periodic table actually there is also a one almost your question. Okay, especially from the inner block. Okay, that is the F block, lanthanoid and actinoid, very important topics. Okay, and remaining you can clearly visualize there. Okay, बात करते हैं about the next important topics, that is the chemical bonding and molecular structure. Okay, so what is the important topics from the chemical bonding and molecular structure? So from the chemical bonding and molecular structure, you can clearly visualize that limitation of octet rule with example you have to study. Okay, and there are some numerical question also came from the shapes of polyatomic molecules. Okay, with example you have to study. Okay, beside that various, that is the valence electron repulsion theory, you have to study that. Okay? Now from the coordination compound, again saying guys, this is a very important topics. Okay, under the WBG exam, because almost in every year there is more than 2 questions repeated. Okay, from the coordination compound, either they may ask that name this particular coordination compound or some rules and rules they will talk about. Okay, so you have to study this guys. Okay, now from the solid state you have to study the classification of solid based on different binding forces and all things. Okay, now from the liquid state, vapor pressure, viscosity, surface tension and qualitative idea. Okay, and no mathematical derivation you have to study, just you have to study theoretical things. Okay, from the gaseous state, measurable properties of gases, Boyle's law, Charles law, absolute scale of temperature and all things you have to study. Okay, then from the chemical energetics and chemical dynamics you have to study the conservation of energy principle, energy changes in physical and chemical transformation, first law of thermodynamics, second internal energy, work and heat. Okay, beside that you can clearly visualize detailed syllabus, क्योंकि भाई ज़्यादा बात करूँ then video will become quite large. Okay, so I'm just focusing on the important topics. Then from the chemical dynamics you can clearly visualize that factor affecting the rates of chemical reaction, concentration, pressure, temperature, catalyst and all things you have to study. Okay, next, that is from the physical chemistry and solution you have to study the colloidal solution, difference from true solution. Okay, hydrophobic, hydrophilic, these are the terms you have to study with structure. Okay guys, then from the electrolytic solution, that is a specific conductance, equivalent conductance, ionic conductance, Correll's law and all things you have to study. Next important topic, that is a non-electrolytic solution, then ionic and redox equilibrium. Okay, so next important topics that you have to clearly visualize, that is the acid base titration guys, very important. Okay, you have to study the acid base titration with redox reaction and hydrogen. Okay, means in hydrogen you have to study position of hydrogen in periodic table, what is the ionic covalent in relationship and all things you have to study. Okay, next, that is the chemistry of non-metallic elements and their compound. Okay, where you have to study various uh, especially you have to be focused on the carbon, what is the occurrence of carbon, various isotopes and all things you have to study. Last is that the chemistry of metals. Okay, and you can clearly realize the detailed a large syllabus is present. Okay, that is the from surface chemistry, adsorption, colloidal and suspension, lyophilic, lyophobic, and all things you have to study. Now main focus I want to draw you to the environmental chemistry. From the environmental chemistry, again saying guys, once your question from the environmental chemistry, either you are preparing for the JEE main, Common or any examination, once your question from this guys. Okay, next, that is the chemistry of carbon compound you have to study, that is hybridization and all things. Okay, so this is the detailed syllabus. Okay, last, that is the preparation of alcohol from carbonyl compound and all things you have to study, ether. Okay, preparation by Williamson synthesis. Okay, so this is the complete syllabus of the chemistry. Again saying guys, I haven't given you the all syllabus. Okay, I'm just giving you the important topic that you have to study. Besides that, if you want to know the complete syllabus, okay, then I will provide link in description. From there you can directly check out this too. Okay, so I hope video got informative to you guys. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and you can also join my important channel that is for the WBJ 2023 candidates. Okay, so if you are the students who are preparing for WBJ 2023, then you can join my Telegram channel. From where you can get the all latest updates regarding the WBJ exam too. Okay, so if you have doubt related to anything, you can comment here, and you can also suggest me on which topic you want the next video too. Okay, and keep learning guys. Okay, so till then, bye bye, meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.